Hi, I'm Dr. Doris and you are so welcome. Overcome negative self-talk. What is negative self-talk? Probably you can identify what is called overthinking. Having some thought go around and around, merry-go-round, and it comes again and again. Stress. When you have stress, there's something going on inside a commentary that makes that stress. Nervousness, up to anxious. How do you know you are nervous or anxious? Because you are saying something to yourself. And mostly it is one voice in you saying something to another voice, and so they both kind of argue. What are some of the tips to be able to overcome negative self-talk? 1. As this is what's in the way of meditation. Of course, any form of meditation where you consciously release the thoughts, take a distance from the thoughts, and practice observing. 2. How to breathe. Focus on your body. Come into your body. 3. Change that internal dialogue by using an amplifier and toning down the volume, or sending it far away, or superimposing it with a dialogue that's positive. Overcome negative self-talk. Learn more www.drdorishNLP.com. Please click like or subscribe. Learn more. I'm Dr. Doris and you are so welcome.